In this video, we are going to understand how to calculate the total number of vowels when we give a sentence. So, let's try it out. It says that enter a sentence. I say invincible coders. Okay, and press enter. So it says that the sentence has 6 vowels. So what is the logic behind this? Like how it is calculating the vowels? We need to understand this part, this repeat block that we have used. This is the main concept. uh, I'll make it easy for you. See, what we have is we have a sentence. So let's say the sentence I have written as invincible coders. Okay, the sentence is INVINCIBLE, then space, then coders, CODERS. So if we manually calculate the vowels, that is AEIOU. So what you need to remember is vowels. Vowels are AEIOU. Okay, so these can be small also, these can be capital also, like capital A, capital E, capital I, capital O, capital U. So in any of these categories, if any of the character falls, so that will be a vowel. If you manually count it, so I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, I have 5, I have 6. So there are 6 vowels. But when we are writing a program, so how we are calculating it? So for that you need to understand this part. What I have done is I have set the position to 1. Okay, here, and I'm going till the length of the answer. What is the answer? Answer is the sentence that we have entered here with the ask statement. Okay, that value whatever we enter using this statement, so this is always stored in answer variable. So the length of the answer basically. So here the if you need to calculate the length of the answer, so that would be number of characters in this entire string, in this entire sentence. So that will be like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Space is also counted, so 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So the length is 17 characters, okay, in the sentence. And what we are doing is we are setting the character to the letter of position of answer in the first statement. That means whatever the length is there, usme whatever the position is there, right now the position is 1, so the first position of the entire length, that is to be stored in this character variable, like whatever the value is over there. So right now we are using one more variable, that is ch, and inside this we are storing the first, because position right now in the starting position was 1 defined by us. Here you can see position is 1. So the first letter will be stored in ch, so that means I will be stored in ch. Then after that what we are doing is we are comparing this ch with a, e, I, o, u, whether small or bigger capital letters, uppercase or lowercase. So if it is equal to any of those, so that then we are increasing the vowel count as 1. So in this case I have first character as I, that means it's a match with the vowel, so we need to increase the vowel count. So let's say we have vowel count earlier was 0, and because we have found one vowel here, so we are increasing it to 1. Okay, vowel count is now 1. After that what we are doing is we are coming to change the position by 1. That means earlier the position was 1, so now the position will be 2, and coming back again, and we have to go till the length of the answer. That means till the position is less than 17. The total number of length is 17 here, so the loop will go if the position is less than 17. So right now it is 2, which is true. So what it will do is it will come to the next position letter of the entire statement, of the entire sentence, and store that variable in ch. So the next variable is n, so that will be stored in ch here. And we are comparing n with a, e, I, o, u. Here you can see ch is equals to a, e, I, o, u. So n is not equals to any of those, so we will not increase the vowel count, and we will simply change the position value. So position value will be 3 now. So the third variable will be v, so this will be stored in ch now, and we will compare this v with all a I o u. So we are not getting a match, so again we will not do anything, we will not increase the vowel count here, and we will change the position. So the position value will be 4, and the fourth position we have again I, so that character will be stored in ch. So we will compare this ch with a e I o u, and here we are already having a match with the vowel. So what we will do is we will increase the vowel count here, change the vowel count by 1, and that will be 2 here, and after that we will change the position by 1, so that means instead of 4 we are having 5 now. So the fifth character that we have in the sentence is n, so that will be stored in ch now, and we will compare this ch with all the vowels, which is not a match. So again it will not increase the vowel count, it will simply change the position by 1, so position count will be 6 now. And likewise c will be stored in the ch, and again there is no match, so we will not be increasing the vowel count, we will simply increase the position number. So the position number will be 7, and the character inside on that position will be stored in ch, so that means instead of c we have I, and I we are comparing with all the vowels, it is a match, so we will increase this time the vowel count, we increase the vowel count by 1, that means 3, and then we will change the position by 1, that means the eighth character now. So eighth character is b, so we will replace it here, store it in ch. B is not a match, so we will increase the position count, then we will go to the ninth character, that will be this L, and this will be stored in ch, and L is also not a match, so again we will increase the this position count. Then the 10th is E, and instead of L we will be storing E in ch, which is a match, so we will increase this time the vowel count also and the position count also. So the next character is space here, so which is not a match with vowel, so we will simply increase the position value. And then on the 12th we have C, so this will be replaced here, CH will be storing C. We will be comparing this CH with all these vowels, and we are not getting a match, so we will simply increase the position value. And the next will be O, so this character will be replaced by O in CH variable, and it is a match with vowel, so we will increase the vowel count also, and we will increase the character count also. And after that the next character is D, we will be replacing it here, and this is not a match with the vowel, so only the position count will be increased. Then the next character E, and we will be storing that in ch, and we will be comparing it with all the vowels, so this time it will be 6, and likewise for R and S also, like only the position value be increased 16th and 17th, and what we will have is the vowel count here, the final value 6, so that will be printed over here. So that is why when you are running this particular program, let's say you are writing again uh, invincible coders and press enter, so it says like you have got 6 vowels.